Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give you guys trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And if you are yet to if you are just joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora digital cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my trading analysis or my trading video, so that you will understand how it works and you will be able to apply them carefully whenever you are trading. However, I will always advise you to practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. So this is very important. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay, so these are the assets I will be checking out today, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course just the way we are saying this. Okay, we are on 5 minutes. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator to do my analysis right from here. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. That is why we are seeing this red flag and the red arrow. Okay, so it started selling right from there, and it has gotten to this support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back into a buy trend, okay, into an uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, but it is most likely for it to go back into an uptrend, most especially if it's unable to break out below that support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Sorry about that. This is boom 500, and of course let's check it out right here. I just added the 3M trend Milka trade indicator to it. This had been on uptrend, and the market was unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is why you are seeing this ranging period. Okay, so it's trying to see if it will break out above the resistance zone, or probably it goes back into a downtrend. However, this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 has been on uptrend for a very long time. It kept on going up and up. It has got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500, and of course crash 500 had been on downtrend for a very long time. Just where we're seeing it right from here, it got to this support zone and played around there for a while before breaking out below the support zone to get to another support zone. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, right from here, because it was unable to break out below this support zone, then it's trying to move back into a buy trend right from here. Okay, so this should be giving us more buying opportunity tonight. Okay, because it has gotten to a support zone and tried out the support zone several times. It has not been able to break out below it, so it's trying to go back into an uptrend right now. So it should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So This is V75, volatility 75. It had been on uptrend for a while, and it had not been able to break out above the resistance, so it is still selling at the moment. We got a downtrend signal around there, and of course a sell signal around there, and it is still selling right from here. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are what we are able to come up with tonight, and all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course do your own personal you should do your own personal practice on it. Okay, you should practice very well on your real account before trying them out on your real account. You should practice on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so that will help you to perfect your trading skill before going to your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.